government, Your Honor.
So you will still depend. And up to now, you are depending.
Yes, po,
From
Your
the
Honor.
very start, you have been depending on the national government subsidy, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So without the national government subsidy, would you have collapsed?
Your Honor, if the expansion of benefit that made in the year 2020 for Your Honor, ma-implement natin ng tuloy-tuloy, Your Honor, of course, kailangan natin ng national government subsidy, Your Honor.
So we're looking forward, moving forward.
Yes, Your Honor.
But where you are standing now, your situation now, the present financial status of PhilHealth, do you need rescue from the national government?
Your Honor, the status of the financial of PhilHealth right now, Your Honor, enough to cover the year 2025 operations, Your Honor.
Oath.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. All right. That opinion,
Your Honor, that is based on the financial record, Your Honor.
even with the findings of COA, you will still insist that you're financially sound,
Yes, Your Honor.
even without government subsidy.
Your Honor, again, kailangan talaga yung government
Kailangan.
subsidy. But
So,
of course,
kung walang government subsidy, nasaan ang PhilHealth?
Your Honor, still in the year 2025, we operating PhilHealth, Your Honor, based on the programs that we are implementing right now, Your Honor.
Yes,
again,
and these programs are funded in full.
In the year 2025, Your Honor, available po yung pondo po natin, Your Honor.
Nasaan yung pondo? Binigay na ba sa inyo ng Treasury?
Your Honor, on existing funds of the corporation, Your Honor, our investable fund so December 31, 2024.
You know, my problem with your existing funds is this. You always do not consider the funds that should cover the reserve funds. That is my problem. Even though the command of Section 11 is for the reserve funds to be set aside. And when you set aside the reserve funds, it means it's real money. It's not just abstract. It's just not numbers. Because anytime the risk will become reality. That is my problem. Because you always do not recognize yet the funds that should cover the reserve funds.
Your Honor, if may I, Your Honor, in every year, Your Honor, we have the corporate operating budget, Your Honor. And this corporate operating budget, Your Honor, mayroon siyang kaakibat na corporate revenue as well. Kumbaga, may pumapasok na revenue. In the year 2024, Your Honor, our corporate revenue enough or more than enough to cover the expenditures, Your Honor.
Expenditures, how about the reserve funds? The formula under Section 11 is this, right? Total revenues less expenditures. And the balance, that is where you will get your reserve funds.
Your Honor,
And your reserve funds, the amount should depend on the actuarial valuation for 2 years. Correct?
Your Honor, if may I, on the part of the accumulated revenue that we have, Your Honor, we set aside the reserve fund. Set aside na siya. Then, in the
What did you say again, please?
Na-set aside po natin. From the accumulated revenue.
So you are reversing the process prescribed by law?
Not necessarily, Your Honor.
That is what you were saying. Oh, reserve na agad siya. Hindi ba dapat accumulated revenues less expenditures? And then the balance, that is where you get your reserve funds. And your reserve funds must correspond to the actuarial estimate.
Your Honor,